Welcome to our comprehensive educational video on the power of passive income. In this extended presentation, we will delve deep into the concept of passive income and its profound significance in achieving financial freedom. So, get ready to immerse yourself in a wealth of knowledge. Passive income is a transformative financial concept that allows you to earn money with minimal effort or active involvement. Unlike traditional active income, where you trade your time and effort for money, passive income enables you to generate earnings while you sleep, providing you with the ultimate form of financial leverage. Passive income can be derived from various sources, such as real estate investments, stocks, bonds, peer-to-peer lending, royalties, and even online businesses. By diversifying your income streams and embracing passive income opportunities, you can build long-term wealth and achieve financial independence. Now that we understand the essence of passive income, let's explore its numerous advantages that make it a game-changer in the realm of personal finance. Financial freedom. Passive income provides you with the freedom to live life on your own terms. By generating income even when you're not actively working, you gain more control over your time and resources. This freedom empowers you to pursue your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, and engage in meaningful experiences. Wealth creation. Building multiple passive income streams can accelerate wealth creation. As your passive income grows, you have the opportunity to reinvest or save that money to generate even more income, creating a compounding effect. Over time, this compounding can exponentially increase your wealth and create a solid foundation for a prosperous future. Flexibility and independence. Passive income allows you to break free from the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. It provides you with the flexibility to choose how and when you work, enabling you to align your professional life with your personal interests and values. This newfound independence offers a higher level of fulfillment and satisfaction, as you have the autonomy to design your lifestyle. Resilience and risk mitigation. Passive income diversifies your income sources, making you less dependent on a single paycheck or business venture. This diversification acts as a safety net, protecting you from potential financial hardships in case one income stream falters. By spreading your risk, passive income provides a sense of resilience and stability in an ever-changing economic landscape. Let's now explore some common types of passive income that you can consider incorporating into your financial portfolio. Rental properties. Owning real estate and renting it out can provide a consistent passive income stream through monthly rental payments. Real estate can offer both appreciation and rental income, making it an attractive long-term investment. Dividends and investments. Investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds that pay dividends or interest can generate passive income over time. By carefully selecting high-quality dividend-paying stocks or bonds, you can enjoy regular cash flow while potentially benefiting from capital appreciation. Royalties. If you possess a creative talent, such as writing, composing music, or creating art, earning royalties from your work can provide a sustainable passive income source. Your intellectual property can generate income through book sales, music streaming platforms, licensing agreements, or even merchandising. Online businesses. In the digital age, building an online business has become an increasingly popular path to passive income. Creating a blog, YouTube channel, or e-commerce store allows you to generate passive income through various channels, including advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or direct product sales. The internet offers a vast array of opportunities to monetize your skills and expertise. Peer-to-peer lending. Engaging in peer-to-peer lending platforms enables you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses, earning interest on your investment. Through technological advancements, these platforms facilitate convenient and secure lending processes, giving you the chance to participate in the lending market and earn passive income from interest payments. Now that you're familiar with the advantages and different types of passive income, let's discuss the essential steps to create your own sustainable passive income streams. Set clear financial goals. Begin by determining your financial goals and the amount of passive income you want to generate. Having a clear target will help you stay motivated and focused throughout your journey. Educate yourself. Enhance your financial literacy by gaining knowledge about different passive income opportunities, understanding investment strategies, and learning from successful individuals in your chosen field. Books, online courses, seminars, and podcasts can be excellent resources for expanding your knowledge. Assess your skills and interests. Take an introspective look at your skills, interests, and resources. Assess which passive income stream aligns with your goals, expertise, and passion. Choose an avenue that you enjoy and are willing to dedicate time and effort to nurture. Take action. Once you've chosen your desired passive income stream, it's time to take concrete steps towards creating it. This may involve saving money for investments, acquiring new skills through self-education or training programs, or launching your online business. Remember, action is the catalyst for progress and success. Monitor and adjust. As you embark on your passive income journey, it's crucial to regularly review and monitor the performance of your income sources. Stay informed about market trends, adjust your strategies if necessary, and seek professional advice when needed. By monitoring your progress, you can optimize your earnings and make informed decisions to maximize the potential of your investments. Expand and diversify. Once you establish a stable passive income stream, consider expanding and diversifying your portfolio. Explore new opportunities, reinvest your earnings, and continuously adapt to the evolving financial landscape. This ongoing process of expansion and diversification will help you solidify your financial foundation and unlock even greater potential for wealth creation. In conclusion, the power of passive income lies in its ability to provide financial freedom, wealth creation, flexibility, and resilience. By embracing passive income strategies and diligently working towards building multiple streams of income, you can unlock a new level of financial abundance and independence. We hope this comprehensive video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of passive income. Remember, building passive income takes time, effort, and perseverance, but the rewards are immeasurable. So, start taking action today and embark on your journey towards financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on this educational adventure. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content on financial literacy, personal development, and wealth creation. Together, let's unlock the power of passive income and build a brighter financial future.